Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to open multi-currency account in Wise. First, log into your Wise account. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you'll see your current currency balances. To add a new currency, click the plus symbol next to your balances. Click Open a Balance. Browse the list of available currencies and select the one you want to add. Click Confirm to add the selected currency. And that's it. The new currency will now appear in your list of balances. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.